A new law in Tennessee provides more protection to victims recorded without consent.
Cornelia Nicholson joins us in the studio with more on this bill. Cornelia.
David, today the Voyeurism Victims Act will allow victims more time to press charges after a person is caught illegally recording someone without their knowledge. The previous law only allowed victims a year from when the crime happened to report it. Democratic Tennessee State Representative Bob Freeman sponsored the Voyeurism Victim Act. He says it was brought to him by a group of Nashville women who were victims of a man arrested in November on 8 counts of unlawful photography.
Due to some limitations in the law, these women came to me and asked that we file legislation to amend various statutes that prevented many of them from getting the justices that they deserved.
Their amendments to the current law will do several things, including defining disseminate for the purpose of unlawful photography to mean transfer, publish, or make accessible. It also allows for changes to the statute of limitations. Victims now have a year from when they find out about the crimes to report it, if the defendant concealed the crime.
And it allows for victims of unlawful photography and observation without consent offenses to petition the courts for an order of protection.
Those opposed vote no.
After a vote in the Tennessee House,
Declare passed by objection. Most weeks here table. Representative Freeman, for what purpose in the will?
The bill passed unanimously with 93 yes votes. 7 of the victims who brought the case to State Representative Freeman were in the balcony.
They advocated tirelessly for this legislation, another we're going to hear later. So I'd like to give them a round of applause. Thank you, ladies, for your hard work.
This bill comes at a pertinent time in Chattanooga as the police department says they're investigating former Hamilton Place massage envy therapist Kevin Spears for recording his clients without their permission. A Tennessee Department of Health disciplinary report says Spears' license was revoked after it was reported that he used his cell phone to record his female clients getting dressed and undressed. In a statement to Local 3, a spokesperson for Massage Envy says, quote, "The safety and well-being of our members and employees is our absolute priority. And as soon as we became aware of the inappropriate conduct, the employee was immediately terminated. The state board notified and the law enforcement alerted." End quote. They say they are outraged and saddened by his actions and will continue to work with law enforcement on their investigation. Now the new law will go into effect on July 1st. David, Cindy.